Hello everyone, welcome to our group video presentation, which is the physical or environmental barrier.
Group 8 Physical or Environmental Barrier. What is physical barrier to communication? Physical barrier to communication can be defined as an element or physical factor that acts as a distraction to hinder the flow of communication. A physical barrier can be natural or human-made, and it's easy to spot in any communication. Scenario number 1. The person in this scenario is busy having a phone call, and then suddenly his classmate disturbed her, and accidentally the phone dropped to the floor and the phone call ended. There is a failure of communication. Scenario number 2. In this scenario, the major cause of physical barrier is the distance. The receiver can't understand what is the sender is talking about because of the distance. The sender wants to ask what is their next class, but the receiver can't understand because of the distance. Scenario number 3. The sender and the receiver of the communication were attempting to having a conversation, and then suddenly they hold the conversation. The conversation was cut off by an interruption. The intended message was not clear and enough for the receiver to understand. In this scenario, there is a failure of communication. For the last part is how to overcome physical barrier in communication. According to in.indeed.com, there are 7 ways to overcome physical barrier. First is to promote open workspace. Second is use concise message. Third is practice personal communication. Fourth, make use of video conferencing. Fifth is reduce noise. Sixth is maintain technical medium. And number 7, onboard useful resources. And that ends our video presentation.